Hey there, and welcome to our channel. If you're looking to make some extra cash every day, you're in the right place. We're diving into 10 legit apps that can help you earn up to $100 daily. Plus, I'll walk you through the steps to register on each one. Let's get started. First up, we have Uber. This ride-sharing app is perfect if you have a car and enjoy driving. Steps to register. To get started, download the Uber app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and tap Sign Up. Enter your phone number, email address, and create a password. Then, provide your personal information and upload the required documents like your driver's license and vehicle insurance. Complete the background check and vehicle inspection, and once you're approved, you can start accepting ride requests. Next, we have DoorDash. If you enjoy delivering food, these apps are a great way to earn money. Steps to register. Download the DoorDash driver app. Open the app and tap Sign Up. Enter your personal information and create a password. Provide the necessary documents, complete a background check, and attend an orientation session if required. Once approved, you can start accepting delivery requests and earning money. 3. If you love helping others with tasks, TaskRabbit is for you. You can get paid for various tasks like handyman work, cleaning, or running errands. Steps to register. Download the TaskRabbit app. Open the app and tap Sign Up. Enter your personal information and create a password. Provide the required documents and complete a background check. Attend an onboarding session. Once approved, set up your profile and start accepting tasks. 4. For all the pet lovers out there, Rover lets you earn money by offering pet sitting or dog walking services. Steps to register. Download the Rover app. Open the app and tap Sign Up. Enter your personal information and create a password. Complete your profile and provide details about your pet care experience. Submit the required documents and complete a background check. Once approved, start offering your services. 5. Fiverr is perfect if you have freelance skills like writing, graphic design, or digital marketing. Steps to register. Download the Fiverr app or visit the Fiverr website. Click Join and enter your email address. Create a password and complete your profile. Set your rates and create gig listings. Once your gigs are live, you can start accepting projects from clients. 6. Similar to Fiverr, Upwork connects freelancers with clients looking for various services. Steps to register. Download the Upwork app or visit the Upwork website. Click Sign Up and enter your email address. Create a password and complete your profile. Specify your skills and set your hourly rate. Submit your profile for review. Once approved, start bidding on projects and accept offers from clients. 7. Instacart is a great way to earn money by shopping and delivering groceries. Steps to register. Download the Instacart Shopper app. Open the app and tap Sign Up. Enter your personal information and create a password. Provide the required documents and complete a background check. Once approved, start accepting grocery shopping and delivery requests. 8. Postmates lets you deliver food, groceries, and other items to customers. Steps to register. Download the Postmates Fleet app. Open the app and tap Sign Up. Enter your personal information and create a password. Provide the necessary documents and complete a background check. Once approved, start accepting delivery requests. 9. If you have a spare room or property, Airbnb allows you to rent it out to travelers. Steps to register. Download the Airbnb app or visit the Airbnb website. Click Sign Up and enter your email address. Create a password and complete your profile. List your property by providing details and photos. Set your rental rates and availability. Once your listing is live, start accepting bookings from guests. Finally, Swagbucks lets you earn points by completing surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. Steps to register. Download the Swagbucks app or visit the Swagbucks website. Click Join today and enter your email address. Create a password and complete your profile. Start earning points and redeem them for cash via PayPal. There you have it. 10 legit apps to help you make $100 daily, and how to get started with each one. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to boost your income. Thanks for watching, and happy earning.